Here's the dirty little secret about security installs. Your camera isn't the problem. No, it's your timing. Most integrators waste hours on site doing things that could have been done right here at this bench. This video shows you how to win that time back using Pelco's pre-deployment setup capabilities, just at Pelco. All right, so it's the day of the install and you're on site and you're on time. Power's on, check. Camera's mounted, check. But wait, wrong IP address. Fail. Firmware is outdated. Fail. Now you're troubleshooting in front of your client with their boss watching. You could have fixed all of this yesterday in your shop, in your hoodie, with Pelco's built-in pre-config workflow. Pelco doesn't pre-configure the cameras for you. No, we don't do that. But we enable you to do it smarter, to do it faster, and to do it on your terms. Here's how. This jack right here is PoE jack. This is your best friend. You're able to get to it even before you unbox the camera. You plug it in, bam, it powers up. Boom, you have full access via the web browser, or you can use our camera config tool, AKA CCT. No mounting, no ladders, no wasted trips. Step 1, you plug in the config cable using the PoE injector. Step 2, set strong admin passwords. Step 3, assign static IP or DHCP, whichever one is your choice. Step 4, update the firmware. Step 5, add the camera name, the site label, and overlays. Bam, you're done. And yes, do it again and again and again across your fleet. You've just turned your Workbench into a camera production line. Out of the box defaults, that's cute. Until your RTSP stream is hacked. Pelco gives you the tools to harden every feed before it even hits the network. RTSP auth required. Role-based user groups. Firmware straight from Pelco.com instead of getting it from those mirror sites. Yep, you know what I'm talking about. And security that should be intentional, but not accidental. And it starts in your pre-deployment plan. If you're still configuring your cameras on site, you're doing twice the work with half of the results. This is how professionals scale. Configuring in batches, standardized network behavior, hit the site and go live within minutes. We're not just selling you hardware, we're enabling performance. Turn this right here, your Workbench, into your launch pad. You can download the Pelco camera configuration tool at the link that's in the description. Stop wasting time and start owning it. Just at Pelco.